March on Washington. On August 28, 1963, the United States Capitol was the stage for one of the largest and most consequential political demonstrations in history. The March on Washington for Jobs and Freedom. About 250 people, black and white, gathered peacefully on the National Mall, stretching from the Washington Monument to the Lincoln Memorial. Organized by a coalition of civil rights groups, unions, and religious leaders, the march aimed to pressure Congress and President John F. Kennedy's administration to pass robust federal legislation guaranteeing full civil and economic rights for African Americans, who still suffered under brutal segregation, Jim Crow, in the South and systemic discrimination in the North. The climax of the event was the speech delivered by Dr. Martin Luther King Jr., the last speaker of the day. Although he had a prepared text, King improvised the most famous part of his speech at the request of singer Mahalia Jackson, who shouted, "Tell them about the dream, Martin." The result was the "I Have a Dream" sermon, a rhetorical masterpiece that articulated a vision of an America where people would be judged not by the color of their skin, but by the content of their character. King's words resonated globally, transforming the civil rights movement from a political issue into a universal moral cause. The march, which many feared would become violent, was a model of disciplined and dignified protest. The political impact of August 28 was direct. The momentum generated helped secure the passage of the Civil Rights Act of 1964 and the Voting Rights Act of 1965, legislative landmarks that dismantled legal segregation in the U.S. and changed the face of American democracy. Leave a comment if you liked it, give it a thumbs up, and subscribe to our channel. Every day there's a new video for you.